Hello everyone, today I want to share my views on Kisan Bill. I have some important terms related to Kisan Bill that I want to discuss with you here, starting with the MSP. Before starting with the MSP, I want to share that the remaining part of the MSP I have discussed in the previous video. Here I have only one question of MSP. Okay, who approves MSP? The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has approved the increase in the minimum support price for all mandated Rabi crops for marketing season. It means that committee was made by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and to increase in the MSP and for what? For all mandated Rabi crops for marketing seasons. Okay, now before starting the next topic, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like my video. Okay, what is now starting with the topic, what is FRP? I repeated, what is FRP? The fair and remunerative price is used in sugarcane industry. It is used in sugarcane industry to replace the MSP. It is based on the Rangarajan Committee. On which committee it is based? Rangarajan Committee report of reorganizing the sugarcane industry. The committee found that in the production of sugar, 70% of the input cost is sugarcane. Okay, so committee, which committee, on which committee it is based? Rangarajan Committee. For what? To reorganize the sugarcane industry. Okay, now the next question is, who decide FRP of sugarcane? Who decide FRP of sugarcane? The answer is Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, CCEA, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved fair and remunerative price of sugarcane for sugar season 2018-19, keeping in view the interest of sugarcane farmers. It was approved based on the recommendation of Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price. Okay, who decide FRP of sugarcane? The committee, which is based on economic affairs and made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved FRP for sugar season. Okay, and it was approved on which recommendation of Commission for Agriculture Cost and Price, CACP. Here the question of 1 marks has been made, that give the full form of CCEA and give the full form of CACP. Okay, CCA means Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs and CACP means Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price. What is FRP rate? Question is, what is FRP rate? In a statement, the government said the FRP of rupees 285 per quintal has been fixed for a basic recovery rate of 10%. However, the premium of rupees 2.85 per quintal will be paid by sugar mills for every 0.1% increase above 10% in recovery. Okay, now the next question is, how is FRP calculated? FRP has been determined. FRP कैसे calculate किया जाता है? The FRP has been determined on the basis of recommendation of Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. किसकी रिकमेंडेशन के ऊपर? कमीशन फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल कॉस्ट एंड प्राइसेस एंड आफ्टर कंसल्टेशन विद स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज आल्सो interconnected and other state stakeholders. Okay, further to ensure clearness of their dues, the government brought out a comprehensive package of about rupees 7,000 crore. Okay, commission was Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price, and on which consultation? State government and other stakeholders also. Okay, now the next question is, who decide price of sugarcane in India? Who decide price of sugarcane in India? Before discussing this answer, I want to share that if you like my video, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share my video. Okay, Who decide price of sugarcane in India? The cabinet approved the fair and remunerative price of sugarcane, the price at which millers buy from farmers for 2020 to 21, increasing the minimum by rupees 10 to rupees 285 per quintal. The sugarcane sale season will start in October 2020. Okay. Cabinet approved FRP, okay, at which miller buy farmers किस रेट पे ₹10 to ₹285 per quintal, and the season will start in October 2020. What is state advised price? What is state advised price? From farmer groups, some states declare state specific sugarcane price called state advised prices. State government declare that sugarcane prices, okay, that sugarcane prices will called state advised prices, okay, usually higher than SMP FRP, okay. Since early SAP came into existence in state like UP, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Haryana, okay. So in which states SAP came into existence? UP, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Haryana. In this topic there are many questions of 1 marks, so please listen carefully and read carefully, okay. Now the next topic is farmer produce trade and commerce promotion and audience facilitation. It allows intra-state and interstate trades. It means that farmer have allow to intrastate trade and interstate trade, okay, beyond the physical premises of APMC, and state government are prohibited for levying any market fee, less or levy outside the APMC area, okay. This is the farmer produce trade and commerce promotion and audience facilitation. It means that APMC market, our state governments are prohibited for levying any market fee. फार्मर से कोई मार्केट फी नहीं ली जाएगी एंड ओके लाइक दैट. नाउ imputed rent. Imputed rent is estimating economic theory of the rent a house owner would be willing to pay to live in his or her own house. Imputed rent can thus serve as an important measure between homeowner and tenant. As I have said earlier that it is the mutual decision between the both house owner and tenant, that it is the willing power of both, okay. Important things to know. Here I have some definitions of some points, okay. So first one is interstate trade, commercial trade, business movement or transportation from one state to another, regulated by federal government according to powers spelled out in Article 1 of the Constitution. Interstate trade means business from one state to another, or commercial trade from one state to another. Number 2, intrastate trade, business conducted within the particular state. स्टेट में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह में जा कर के व्यापार करना या ट्रेड करना, ओके. ट्रांसैक्ट intrastate business means to enter into repeated and successive transaction of business in the state other than in interstate or foreign commerce. अपने ही राज्य में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा करके ट्रेड करना, व्यापार करना, ओके. नंबर 3, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रेडिंग मीन्स ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल कमोडिटीज इन इंडिया. ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल कमोडिटीज, ओके. ऑनलाइन ट्रेड करना एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स का. नंबर 4, कैटास्ट्रॉफ, एन इवेंट कॉजिंग ग्रेट एंड यूजुअली सडन डैमेज और सफरिंग अ डिजास्टर. कोई आपदा आ जाना, कोई नुकसान होना, इट इज़ ए कैटास्ट्रॉफ. नंबर 5, contract farming. It involves agricultural production being carried out on the basis of agreement between buyer and farm producer. Sometimes it involves the buyer specify the quality requires and price with the farmer agreeing to deliver at a future date. Contract farming means it is an agreement between buyer and farm producers, okay, or it is a buyer's decision to check the quality and price that the farmer agreed to deliver at a future date. Okay, so it is the agreement between the both. Now the last A2 plus FL method. A2 cost cover all paid out expenses both in cash and kind incurred by farmers on seed, fertilizers, chemicals, hired labor, fuel and irrigation among others. A2 plus FL cover actual paid out cost plus an imputed value of unpaid family labor. It means that paid out expenses सारे expenses को clear out करना फार्मर्स के द्वारा किए हुए ऑन सीड्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स, केमिकल्स, हायर्ड लेबर्स, फ्यूल्स, इरिगेशंस लाइक दैट, और इट इज़ टू द इंटरकनेक्टेड actual paid out cost plus imputed value of unpaid family labor. Okay, it is interconnected. So this is the topic of Kisan Bill and some important terms I have discussed with you. If you like my video, if you like my video, then please share my video and subscribe my channel. And I have many other videos on Kisan Bill, and I want to share with you on the other videos also. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.